Khasi Student Union KSU Kalakino, Baka Ministry of Home Affairs, Mha Jubab Satyai ki artili ki shithi, Baka Sorkar Meghalaya Kalapha Bandawa, Kenaline Permit, Nadu Usnam Arjar Kharkhandai, but Arjal Arpo. Henry General Secretary ka KSU, Ba Ruben Najir, Ulaong Ba Hadian Baga KSU, Kala IT Memorandum Shu Union Home Minister, U Amit Shah, Habanai Baladem, Kaseng Kalayo Jubab Hapo Shitayo. Unajir ulaong bakani ka pinpaw ba ka Sorkar India ka khamshim khya ya ka KSU mani ka Sorkar Meghalaya ulakin noru ba ka Sorkar Jylla kamshim khya halor ka jingwan tuit kibriu bat ka jingsngan jong kinong shnong shushu ulakdo bawat hadien arsnam balapin kalai ka Migrant Workmen Act hadu Mynta ampat yo ya ka jingminjur jong ulat ulaong ru ba ka Jylla Manipur ka yo ILP namar ka jingdon ka monsan perthei ka bas khem hinrei ha Meghalaya ka jingdawa ka dang sakut hadu Mynta.
I'll reiterate my statement again. Like I've stated, when it comes to other issues, the government of Meghalaya is very proactive. But when it comes to issue of security of our citizens regarding the influx issues, the state government is silent in these matters. We recently 2 years ago we have had a protest, and we have had a drive regarding the laborers that have come into our state. We have expelled thousands of laborers, and for that the state government has called for dialogue, and they have amended the Migrant Workmen Act, and that was 2 years ago. That Migrant Workmen Act again has come into the session. They have passed, but till date it has been 2 years after they have passed the amendment also. Till date they have not get the assent of the governor. So the same thing also I would say regarding ILP also. They are not proactive in this step. Why Manipur has got ILP in a demand in such a short span? It's because of their political will and their political power, that maybe they have their determination in this regard has been very, very strong, that the government of India had to give them. But maybe somewhere, somehow we are just lacking. Maybe when we talk about ILP, it's just like we want to go and have a photo session with the union ministers, but there's no kind of dialogue or discussion, because based on the RTI that we have get that the Delhi has not responded to the 2 letters. It is a very shameful thing. Like I have stated, the words coming out now from our ministers and our honorable leaders does not mean a thing anymore, because too many promises has been made, and if too many promises, unfulfilled promises are being made, then words start losing their value. So now also we feel that the government of Meghalaya does not want to implement MRCC, because if it want to implement MRCC, then it is not difficult for them to implement. Why are they waiting for the amendment? What is in the amendment? As I've told you, there's nothing in the amendment of that significance that it will strengthen the 2016 Act. If they want to strengthen the Act, then first let the 2016 Act come into place, and then look into 2019, because that is still need the assent of the president. So I don't know whether they are looking into that matter also. They are following up that matter regarding MRC with the President of India, because even in regards to ILP also, we have filed an RTI asking how many times have the state government written to the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding ILP, and we have, based on the reply from the RTI, it has been only 2 times, that is in the year 2019 and 2020, and so far there has been no communication from the government of India to the state government regarding these 2 letters that they have filed. But it is very sad to see that the government of India is not responding to the state government, because in the last month we have met Honorable Union Minister, Home Minister Amit Shah, and we have also submitted a memorandum regarding implementation of ILP in the state. To that, I think we have received a reply within a week. So I don't understand, like, why is the Ministry of Amit Shah not responding the government of Meghalaya, but they're responding us. Maybe we can say the government of India respect the key issue, and they don't respect the state government, because we are strong in our determination. We are strong in whatever things we have stated, and we do not fluctuate in our statements regarding whatever venture we do or whatever determination that we have in regard to this matter.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.